Hurricane Jaxson trying out a different kind of swing. Looks pretty cool. What do you think, Hurricane?
Good.
Is it good? Woo!
Sun's getting bright.
Oh, the sun's so bright.
So I'm gonna close my eyes.
Okay. Hurricane Jaxson has a new park here in his town, and it's super cool. It has special swings and all kinds of cool things. It's Hurricane Jackson's new favorite park, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
It's Henry Burns Park in Macon, Georgia, and it rocks. Is it Hurricane Jaxson approved?
Yeah.
Tell everyone have a great holiday
Have a great holiday.
and a happy new year.
And happy New Year.
Hurricane Jaxson out.
Hurricane Jaxson, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye.